morning, friends. Today is 7th November, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting you the Monday's morning market update. The Nifty gained around 2% over the week to close above the psychological level of 18,000 at 18,117. The momentum has been strong. The candle closing both on the daily and the weekly has been higher than the previous candle's high, which depicts the ongoing trend. The gap created on the daily charts on 1st November above 18,000 got filled, post which a follow up buying was seen. The momentum and the trend indicators are well placed with no signs of topping out. This depicts that the current momentum and trend is to continue. We would like to highlight that the index is trading comfortably above the 18,000 mark, and we have approximately only 62% stocks trading above the short term simple moving average on the Nifty 500, indicating that the stock specific action are here to stay. The option chain data shows that the maximum call writing has been seen at the 19,000 strikes, and maximum put writing has taken place at the 18,000 strike. Talking about sectors, the metal index has given a fresh price volume breakout and looks positive for the coming trading sessions. Bank Nifty is right below the overhead resistance and all-time high zone of 41,800. Once this is cleared, we will see further momentum catching up. We have results for Coal India, BPCL, Divis Lab, BSE along with few others today. India VIX is below 16, which adds to the bull sentiment, and dollar index trades between the 110 to 113 zone. US indices has been in a recovery mode since past 2 weeks, and we don't see any topping out signs on the charts there. The FIIs have been consistent buyers since last few trading sessions, buying around 1400 crores in the cash market on Friday. SGX Nifty is currently 100 points up, trading at 18,300, hinting again a gap up opening. Levels for the day: Nifty supports will be seen at 18,100 and 18,000. Resistance 18,200 and 18,360. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 40,760 and 40,600. Resistance 41,530 and 41,850. Thank you and have a great trading day.